This is Alex doing the cinnamon challenge.
Smells good.
Yeah, that's always a plus. Your breath will smell probably really good afterwards.
Okay.
I guess that's okay. I mean,
Alright.
here we gonna go.
Yeah,
Oh, the
see?
cat's one.
Yeah, the cat just got a nose full of it. Try to take these off.
You're preparing yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, try to get it down. Like, try sincerely. I bet you can do it. You did the jalapeno thing once that one time.
I was thinking about the most horrible things that have happened. I'm trying to keep that in perspective. Alright. Ready?
Yep. I can't even. Don't spit it on the floor. So it is that bad?
That's what this pen was for, but I didn't quite have it.
Oh, that's gonna be gross to clean up. Are you okay?
I hate you.
Oh, it'll be worth it in the